Are you trying to decide between Databricks and BigQuery? You're not alone. Today, we'll break down these two powerful tools to help you choose the right one for your needs. Both Databricks and BigQuery are designed to handle big data and analytics. They help businesses analyze large sets of data quickly and efficiently. But they do have some key differences. Let's start with Databricks. It's built on Apache Spark and focuses on data engineering and machine learning. Databricks is great for data scientists and engineers who want to collaborate on data projects. It offers a unified platform for data processing, allowing users to run complex algorithms easily. Now, let's look at BigQuery. This tool is part of Google Cloud and is known for its speed and scalability. BigQuery is a serverless data warehouse, which means you don't have to manage any infrastructure. It's perfect for businesses that want to run fast queries on massive datasets without worrying about the backend. When it comes to key differences, Databricks shines in its collaborative features for data teams. It supports notebooks and real time collaboration. On the other hand, BigQuery excels in handling large scale queries quickly, making it ideal for businesses needing instant insights. In terms of features, Databricks offers machine learning capabilities and data pipelines. BigQuery, however, provides advanced analytics tools and integration with other Google services. Both tools have their strengths depending on what you need. Pricing can vary. Databricks often charges based on compute resources, while BigQuery typically uses a pay as you go model based on data processed. It's essential to evaluate your usage to find the best fit. So, who should choose what? If you are a data scientist looking for collaboration and machine learning, go for Databricks. But if you need fast analytics on large datasets, BigQuery is the better option. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more comparisons.